The US Patriot surface-to-air missile SAM system is considered one of the most advanced air defense systems in operation. Yet, in the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, it has faced notable difficulties in intercepting Russia's Iskander-M missiles. This raises an important question. Why is the Patriot system struggling against this particular threat? In this video, we will begin by examining the Patriot system. Then, we'll take a closer look at the Iskander-M missile, a highly advanced weapon designed to evade interception. Finally, we'll explore 4 key reasons why the Patriot system has been less effective in countering the Iskander-M in Ukraine. Let's look into the details to better understand how this is happening. The MIM-104 Patriot is a mobile surface-to-air missile SAM system developed by the United States to provide air and missile defense capabilities. Manufactured by Raytheon, with contributions from Lockheed Martin and Boeing, the Patriot system has been a cornerstone of U.S. and Allied air defense since its deployment in the early 1980s. Over time, it underwent significant upgrades to address evolving threats, including tactical ballistic missiles. The latest interceptor in the Patriot arsenal is the PAC-3 missile segment enhancement. The PAC-3 MSE is highly agile, capable of sustaining classified high-G maneuvers to engage fast and maneuverable targets. The 9K720 Iskander-M, known by NATO as the SS-26 Stone, is a Russian mobile short-range ballistic missile system designed to engage a variety of targets with high precision and lethality. The system is designed to launch missiles from unprepared positions and relocate quickly to avoid counterattacks, making it a formidable tool on the battlefield. Traveling at hypersonic speeds of up to Mach 7, it significantly reduces reaction time for enemy defense systems. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles, it does not follow a predictable trajectory. Instead, it is controlled throughout its flight, performing intensive maneuvers, particularly during the terminal phase, to evade anti-ballistic missile defenses. It can carry a variety of warheads, including high-explosive fragmentation, sub-munitions, penetration, fuel-air explosive, electromagnetic pulse, and even nuclear warheads, with payloads of up to 700 kilograms. Guided by an inertial navigation system complemented by optical guidance, the Iskander-M achieves a circular error probable CP of 10 to 30 meters, ensuring precision strikes against designated targets. Finally, we'll explore 4 key reasons why the Patriot system has been less effective in countering the Iskander-M in Ukraine. Let's look into the details to better understand how this is happening. No matter how advanced the Patriot system is, its effectiveness ultimately depends on the skills, coordination, and decision-making of the crew operating it. Complex systems like the Patriot require extensive training, and any gaps in preparation or experience can lead to errors in detection, targeting, or interception. In high-pressure combat situations, even minor mistakes, such as delays in identifying threats or miscommunication between operators, can result in missed interceptions. Another significant issue is the Patriot's limited radar coverage. The system's radar has a 120-degree field of search, which means that multiple radars are required to achieve full 360-degree coverage. If even one radar is compromised or missing, it creates blind spots that adversaries can exploit. Additionally, Russian forces have reportedly used drones to target and damage the search radars associated with the Patriot system before launching the Iskander-M missile. By disabling these critical radars, the drones act as a cost-effective way to disrupt the Patriot's ability to detect and track incoming threats. Lastly, the Iskander-M's advanced design and capabilities make it exceptionally difficult to intercept. The missile is equipped with stealth features that reduce its radar cross-section, making it harder to detect and track. It travels at hypersonic speeds, reaching Mach 6 to 7, which drastically reduces reaction time for defensive systems. These combined characteristics ensure that even the most advanced air defense systems struggle to engage the Iskander-M successfully. If you found this breakdown of the Patriot struggles against the Iskander-M insightful, Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth analyses of military technology. The battlefield is evolving, and understanding these systems is more important than ever. Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your perspective. Stay tuned for more content where we explore the complexities of modern warfare. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.